Hey guys, I am running low on my immune support roller, and so I wanted to come in here really quickly and show you all how to make a roller ball, and also I'll post the contents, the recipe for immune support in the comments. But the first thing you'll need is some aroma glides. So this is an empty old oil bottle. You can tell I have a little oil habit. And these I order on Young Living's website. You can get the aroma glides, no big deal. So they're wonderful. They fit both 5 milliliter and 15 milliliter bottles. So I will pop that thing off. There we go. And now I will show you how easy it is. So I'm including pine. It's not normally included, but there's been some recent studies on how effective it is to help support our bodies, especially during this time and with this season and what things are going on. So I put about 10 to 12 drops of pine in. Then, of course, thieves. Everybody needs some thieves in their life. It's amazing, incredible. So I'll put about 10 to 12 drops of it in. Then geranium. Most people don't put that in there, and I didn't until just recently. You can get on PubMed and look up geranium and lemon and see how amazing and beneficial they are to our immune system and also for our circulatory system. I've actually done another YouTube video where I'm showing how geranium and lemon help our circulatory system. Those are the two oils I would support. All right, now I'm going with lemon. It goes in there. Same thing, 10 to 12 drops. Awesome. Lemon is amazing for our immune system. Frankincense. Let me just tell you the story around my house. When in doubt, pull Frank out. It is amazing. It was given to the Christ child for a reason. Baby Jesus needed some frankincense, and so do all of us. And tea tree. And the final one that I don't have here, and I'm sorry, I thought I did, is oregano. You're gonna put about, so everything else gets 10 to 12 drops. Oregano, you're gonna do 5 to 7 drops. It's very strong and it's amazing. And then generally I use avocado oil. You can use whatever fatty oil you want. Olive oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, fractionated coconut oil, whichever one you want. I'll normally put it in here, put a little bit in my bottle. These are great, they come in handy. And put the lid back on, and there you go. I have my immune support roller ball. I will put the recipe in the comments. All right, God bless you all. Have a great day.